So good afternoon to all of you. I'm here to demonstrate on how to make an RJ45 straight through cable. We need materials. We have the UTP cable Cat 5E, 2 pieces of RJ45. We need a tool, crimping tool, and we need cable tester. Okay, first insert the UTP cable into the crimping tool with the hole, then between 1 to 2 inches. Squeeze the crimping tool, then rotate the cable to remove the outer covering of the cable. Now be sure that there is no cut on the cables. If there is a cut, then you have to repeat the step in removing the outer insulator. This, you have to untwist the twisted pairs of the cable. After untwisting all the wires, then you are now ready for the pairing of the cables side by side in order, depending on the make of the cable. So this time we will make the T568B for the straight through cabling. You measure the RJ45 to the wires. Okay, so there should be a blue part, insulator, inserted inside the RJ45. Okay, then you have to cut the wires using the RJ45, using the crimping tool, I should say. Cut it. Be sure that you have to clean your area after making the cable. So, using your thumb and your index finger, hold the wires so as not to interchange the orientation of the wires. Then you are now ready to insert. The pin 1 should be on this part. Pin 1. Then pin 8 dito naman sa my thumb. Okay. Then you are now ready to insert the wires. Okay. Double check that the wires are all the way up into the gold pins of the plug and made it up in the proper order. Dapat makikita mo yung mga copper wires sa dulo ng RJ45. Then you are now ready to crimp. Okay? May mga ngipin yung crimping tool. Okay? So doon mo ngayon ibebase mo ang ngipin doon sa gold plate ng RJ45 plug. Insert it. Okay? Be sure na papasok siya ng maayos. Okay? Nakatapat ang mga gold plate. sa ngipin ng crimping tool. Then push it. You have to squeeze the crimping tool. One, and do it twice. Okay, so there you have it. Dapat nakapasok lahat yung mga gold plate doon sa RJ45. Ito ang kaibahan ng hindi pa naipapasok ng mga plate ng RJ45. Ito, mapapansin nyo sa taas pa yung mga gold plate nya, pero pagka clean mo na siya dito, bababa na lahat ang mga gold plate ng RJ45 plug. Then do the same procedure with the other end of the UTP cable.
Huwag mong pansinin ang naninira sa'yo. Basta't alam mo lang tamang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong didibin. Kung papatulan mo'y lalo ka lang aasarin. No si balasi. Sino ba sila? No si balasi. Sino ba sila?
Next is we have to check the continuity of the cable using the cable land tester. So insert the other end yung sa pang RJ45, and then the other end yun naman sa isa pang other port of the tester. Then switch it on. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there you have it. You made a working straight through cable. Kapag may hindi nag-ilaw, you have to check the RJ45 plug. Kung may hindi na-crimp ng masyado, then ulitin mo lang yung pag-crimp. Pag may hindi nag-ilaw, pag ginawa mo na yun, nag-double check ka, then you have to make again another cable. So putulin mo lang yung isang dulo, tinan mo yung isang dulo kung saan ka nagkamali, hindi lang mo lang putulin mo. Be sure that after working, you have to clean your area, that is using the workplace management, then clean your area.